Hi everybody, back here, MD Automotive. Just want to show you what I'm doing. This is part 2. I have removed the water pump already. The water pump is down there. So I've got to clean the inside of that first before I put the new water pump in. So if you come here, that's the old belt and pulley. This is my old part. That's my old timing belt. The old water pump. Tensioner pulley there, roller, big roller, small one, and small one there. So that's my old part, and my brand new parts are here. And I've gone past, printed out the Volkswagen tightening torques to make sure every single bolt is tightened to the right specification. So if you come here, I already labeled that's the water pump's 15 Newton meters, so I don't forget. This roller here is 20 Newton meters. That one there's 20 Newton meters. That one there's 20 Newton meters plus 45 degrees. Just so you can do the 20 and 45 degrees from there. And this one here, the big one, is 50 Newton meters plus an extra 90 degrees. Alright. I'm going to do my installation now and I'll do another video later on. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.